The lesser platinum male. Pastel hide. There's my piebald. This is my blonde pastel, who's huge. She is pretty. Here we've got an unboxing from Kati's Cresteds, and I've got a female red-orange blotched reticulated gargoyle gecko and a red striped gargoyle gecko. The red striped is a male and the female is the reticulated, so I'm going to show you guys those and get them out of their box, or out of the box here and into their temporary enclosure, and I'll show you their enclosure that I built for them that's basically finished. But I try and do this one-handed, so I'm just gonna take her out. Try and get a better picture here. They look awesome. There you go. And come on out. I want you to face the other way because I don't want you to jump right out of the enclosure. He's awesome looking. Or she, I should say. I like her. Like I said, this was from Kati's Cresteds. Let me turn you this way. I'm trying to do this one-handed. There you go. Like I said, this is a temporary enclosure. I'll show you guys their soon-to-be permanent home. She looks amazing. I like her. Very nice. We're gonna close this up. So we can put him on his side. These are not, these bottom ones aren't heated. So we got this guy in here. It's hard without my cameraman. I'll take this guy out and do the same thing. Try and aim them to the back. I got their water dish and focus. And their food mix there, which I'm gonna give them a variety of stuff. They're gonna get crickets, and I'll probably do a baby food mixture, and just so they have a variety. Let's see if we can get him out. You're okay. I don't want him to jump right out. Oh, careful. Just stay in there. He's nice looking. Nice and bright. There's the phone. Sorry about that. The phone is ringing. Here's my the male red striped gargoyle. And he is beautiful. There we go. You're alright, guy. I look forward to this is just like a side project, breeding these guys just for fun. I really like them. I mean, they look amazing. But yeah, you guys should check out Kati's Cresteds. Check out her website. I'll put a link to her website in the description below and give her a little bit of advertisement. While I'm on here, thank you, Kati, for these beautiful geckos. Now I'll show you their future enclosure. I'll let these guys just kind of relax. They've been in a box the whole time. It's amazing looking. I love their eyes. Alright, so now I'll show you their soon-to-be enclosure. This is a enclosure I built out of a old bookcase we had, and it's actually two enclosures. And I'm just letting the air out for a couple more days probably. Just because I silicone, 100% silicone sealed the inside. The framing here, all the framing is PVC, solid PVC. And this is just plexiglass. I can open it, I got some latches to lock them. And it came out pretty nice. There's some ventilation up here. I gotta monitor temperatures inside of here. I don't think it'll be too bad, but I just tiled it all. I can still smell the silicone a little bit, so I want to make sure that chemical's all gone and there's no worries. But it's all sealed, all sealed up. Came out pretty good. At the bottom of the doors are magnets. Got the lighting system in there. Both of them are lit up. Came out pretty good though. I can't wait to get them in there and actually be able to see them real good in here. And then I've got room for something else at some point. That's it for now. I'll get a follow-up on this, and you know, once I move them in there and get it all decorated and stuff. And thank you for watching.